We are the only full-scale spirits distillery, visitor experience and gin school in a 17th century castle. Our most popular option for groups is our gin tours and our tasting experiences, which can cater for all sizes of groups. However, we can also offer a gin making and cocktail masterclass options for the smaller groups. So we're actually located in the Vale of Glamorgan, beautiful place, easily accessible from the M4 and 10 miles away from Cardiff. Our most popular attraction here and experience is the gin tours and the gin tastings. However, we do offer for smaller groups gin making and also once a month rum making experiences and of course cocktail masterclasses as well. We are a relatively new and unique experience in South Wales. The combination of the historic Hensol Castle and then the modern vibes of the fun nature of gin does create a truly distinctive experience. So with the luxury of having quite a lot of space here, we can cater for groups of up to 150 people. So we do offer preferential rates for groups of over 15 plus, and then we can provide a complete bespoke experience to suit yourself and your group, and it can be tailor-made just for you. So we can provide accommodation. We've got an on-site hotel, literally a stone throw away, just on the road, the Vale Resort. It's a 4-star hotel, spa, 2 golf courses, driving range, and we can even provide transport from the Vale to Hensol and then from Hensol back as well, so you can have a few drinks. We also work very closely with other local attractions and can offer groups a combined package of 3 of Wales's best attractions: the Royal Mint and a Welsh coal mining experience, and then ourselves, aptly named Coal, Coin and Cheers, us being the Cheers, at a very special rate for the 3.